2 men and a woman with COVID-19 have in South Australia, while 2,380 new cases have been reported. Key points. Almost 2,400 new COVID-19 cases have been reported in South Australia. Almost 2,400 new COVID-19 cases have been reported in South Australia. Masks will stay compulsory in indoor public places. Masks will stay compulsory in indoor public places. A court case against vaccine mandates will go to trial next week. SA Health said those who were a woman in her 90s, a man in his 70s and a man in his 80s. There are 129 people in the state with COVID-19 in hospital, including 10 people in intensive care and 1 on a ventilator. Just over 2,000 new COVID-19 cases were reported in South Australia yesterday and on Sunday, while 2,374 were reported on Saturday. The state's COVID-ready committee met today, but no changes were made to mask or close contact rules. Australian Medical Association National Vice President Chris Moe said earlier today it was too soon for changes. Masks are compulsory in indoor public spaces in South Australia. Look, I don't understand why you would remove masks from public transport too early, for example, Dr. Moe said. That just makes no sense whatsoever. It is a relative thing, and it has been shown to be very effective at reducing transmission. The number of teachers absent because they have COVID-19, are a close contact, or are caring for another person has fallen from 349 on Friday to 286 today. Mandate court case delayed. A legal challenge to South Australia's COVID-19 vaccine mandate has been slightly delayed. Nurse and Adelaide Crows footballer Denny Van Hagen is leading the Supreme Court challenge, asking the court to find the state's vaccine mandates introduced under the South Australian Emergency Management Act are invalid for several reasons, including impinging on rights and freedoms. The trial was meant to begin on Thursday, but will now be held next week due to a large expert report being filed late last night. But a lawyer for the applicants, which include a nurse, educator and police officer, said his clients were not working due to the mandate and he opposed any delay. The court heard State Coordinator Grant Stevens had filed an affidavit on the reasons for the mandate and could be called for cross-examination as part of the trial. SA Police Commissioner Grant Stevens addresses the media. December 21, 2021. The trial, expected to run for 3 days, will now begin next Wednesday, 4 days after March 19 state election. A request to live stream the court case, because of strong public interest in the proceedings, was knocked back last week. The Supreme Court heard last Thursday that the court's administration authority did not have the resources to arrange a live stream. M to mute, left and right arrows to seek, up and down arrows for volume. Watch 15 minutes 2 seconds 15 M will win to bring a COVID-19 onslaught.